Hello everyone, it's Jasmine Kaur and I welcome all of you to my channel Sketching Style. So this time I choose to do this video because I want to give some honest reviews like on a product like Just Herb, because before ordering I also find a lot of things like हम लोग ट्रस्ट करते हैं कि हाँ कोई भी प्रोडक्ट खरीदने से पहले कि वो कैसा होगा, हम ऑनेस्ट रिव्यूज ज़रूर ढूंढते हैं. Let's open this box and I'm going to tell you what is inside this box. Okay, so let's start. This box will be the packaging is normal. They use these hard cardboards so that also that can see. And this is what I ordered. Yes, box is big. I just ordered 2 things. Okay, so I ordered these two Just Herb Lip&Cheek Tint. Let's use it, and after that I'm gonna show you the reviews. I give you my opinion, like how it works. Is it really nice or is it expensive? So let's start. Its packaging is like this. Here they mention the level of Just Herb, and I like, what I like in this mini box, it's this lip shape. It's really good. Firstly, I'm gonna open this peachy curl, as this box contains this, as at the back they mark the color that you choose. Okay, the lip tint that I order. The special thing is that you can use it in 2 ways, or you can 3. It's your magic. Okay, this is the product is good, but what I don't like is its quantity. Yeah, its quantity is a little small if I compare it with money. Okay, this is the cover at front. Okay, this is my peachy curl, so let's use it. I'm gonna apply this on my lips. Before lips, I'm gonna apply a bit on my cheeks. Let's do it. Okay, I just take a small amount. For this I think we need not too bad. Okay, yeah, it's nice. No, I believe before applying any, or you need to apply any base, I just apply the base on this side. Okay, so one cheek is covered. Now it's time to nice. I just use this quantity. Giving a good shade. I think this is really good for college girls especially, or if we want to go use this in a very casual routine, but still it's look too good on my lips. And this side I just apply this peachy coral, and lips I apply this new shade. Ayurvedic lipstick tint is great combo that you can use these both